Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store and we're going to do world famous White Boy Wraps sausage breakfast burritos. Got to get set up with your stuff. Got 2 plates for doing the tortillas. Going to fry up the eggs in here. Going to do the sausage in that pan right there. And then we got the microwave station set up with the tortillas and the cheese right here. So we nuke the tortillas on high for 30 seconds to get them warm and moist with the cheese. Then we take them over to here. We mix up the eggs and the sausages, and that's a preview. All right, now so we're pretty much set up. We got the sausage started. We've got the farm fresh raised hen eggs ready to be cracked. I've got an old cilantro tub here that I'm going to put the eggshells in. And the secret to cracking eggs is to find the sharpest edge of something that you can find. Crack it right in the middle and pull the 2 halves apart. Don't do that one-handed thing. Try doing that. You can get good at it, but you'll always get eggshells in it. You can really minimize your eggshells by doing the sharp edge like that. Give it a good whack and then spread it apart. I have to do this one-handed because I've got no camera guy. But it's better if you separate them with 2 hands. And you're supposed to put the eggshells in there. And the eggs are directly in the pan. And that way you can get the eggshells out if you get some in there by accident. God damn it. I get confused. Okay, so my secret for fluffy scrambled eggs is sour cream and some ranch. So you just take the lid off the bottle before you show somebody, and you do just a little bit to get it in there, and then a fairly healthy spoonful of sour cream, and you mix that up. You put it on medium to low heat, and you just go slow and easy so you don't burn the eggs. Patience is where it's at. And we got the sausage going. Alright, so the sausage is coming along. Eggs are coming along. Like I said, slow and easy is the key to these. Don't get it too hot, and always keep stirring it with the spatula and chunk them up. Just nice and slow. And it'll come out super fluffy and no burn, crusty, icky scrambled eggs. I'm going to make 12-inch burritos, and I used 15 eggs. So yeah, 12 8-inch burritos, whatever that is. And then I always use American cheese slices. Alright, so they're coming together. They're getting nice and fluffy. Like I say, slow and easy. Start reducing the heat as they get more done. And they'll just cook themselves up really super nice. And then just about when the slime's gone, turn it off the heat and just let it sit there. And it'll cook the rest of the way. And you just always constantly flip them and chop them up light and fluffy. Okay, now we're getting ready for the assembly process. So I've got the microwave and the tortillas ready. Take your scissors, your cooking scissors, and cut that damn bag open so you can pull those tortillas out really easy when you get into it. Put a weight on it. I tried it with opening the bag and it... Alright, we're back. Tortillas, microwave. Best American cheese in the world is made by Schwann's, but I'm going to have to finish it up with Kraft because I didn't have enough. And then always have your garbage can handy so you can put stuff in, and make sure the dogs are at bay. Ooh, look at those eggs. Light and fluffy, sausage is ready to go. You can drain that. You can use paper towels to sop up the extra grease. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't feel like doing it today, so I'm just going to fork the sausage off when I mix the two. So now, to do the tortillas, you need a plate, need a tortilla, need a slice of American cheese, fold that baby in half, and you know, cheese is to your pleasure, so I like cheese, but I'm not going to overdo it on this one. Sometimes I'll use 2 slices. And then just hit the magic start button. Goes for 30 seconds, comes out perfectly warmed. Oh, you can see we got some, oh yeah, that's cool. Nuclear microwave. So you wait for that to get done, nice and toasty. Then you bring it over here and you set up. 30 seconds, nice, warm, moist, pliable. Then you just put your eggs and your sausage in there, and I wish I could show you how to roll it, but I've got a system for that. You know, white boy wraps, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you with one hand. Hold on. I like a little salsa in my burrito, but I don't like them super wet, so I'll drain the juices off, and you can do it 2 ways. You can use the actual salsa or the juice. The juice is amazing in breakfast burritos. Same flavor, makes it moist when you microwave them. But this time I'm going to use the actual vegetables. But like I said, I don't want it super soggy. There's enough water retained in the veggies to make the burrito nice and moist. Alright, now to wrap this bad boy, you want to have it off-centered, all your fillings to the bottom. Then just go like this, kind of preset it, and wrap your corners in. Make sure that that side stays tucked like that. And you just roll it right up. Perfect white boy wrap.